Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, we got an ezgo here. I'm gonna change the solenoid, man. We're doing some other tests prior. The solenoid's bad. We're getting voltage on these two small posts. So it's activating the solenoid, it's not changing, but I'm just gonna show you how to change it, man. First thing you want to do, take the battery wire off. I just took one off the circuit. I didn't take the one off the set. They remain positive. I just took that one there off. That way, when you put it back together, man, you only got one wire to worry about. Don't have to worry about finding another light wire you left off. Put the model on my channel, keep it simple and keep it cheap. We only replaced the one part. I've been there and done that, not no more. All right, man, 1/2-inch wrench. On that side of the solenoid. 1/2-inch wrench. That side of the solenoid. And also, man, if y'all want me to do a video on anything else, man, let me know. I take suggestions, and I'll make if I come across one, I'll make a video on it. Or if you want me to make a suggestion on something, I'll do it. So right now, I'm gonna take the wires off here. Now this is my resistor here. The purpose of the resistor is right here. You can't put it on wrong, but the purpose of that is to keep the controller charged up. So it keeps this charged up so you don't fry your, like turn on a light bulb. When you turn a light bulb on, what happens sometimes? It fries. The reason why, because they don't have a resistor in there that keeps the capacitor charged up. So now, so that's why it fries all the time. On a golf cart controller, they keep a resistor in there to keep the controller charged. Here, take this off, 3/8. Now, if you look on here, on the small post on the solenoid, you have a diode. All right. If you want, you see the silver line there, that goes toward the hot side. If you put it backwards and hit the gas, you're going to fry the reed switch and possible the micro switch. If the reed switch is not bypassed, you will burn up the reed switch. If the reed switch is bypassed, you will burn up the accelerator pedal switch. So make sure you put that silver line right there toward the hot side of the small post. The black and the red. Now, whenever you put them back on a new solenoid, it doesn't matter how they go. You can't, as long as you put the black with the black and red with the, you can't do them wrong. So I'm gonna take a 7/16. And also, man, I recommend to anybody on my channel, man, watching this right here, if you see one of my videos, man, and you don't think it's nothing to do with what you want it to do with, you're wrong, man. During some episodes, I'm liable to go off on a rant and say some tips. Whatever comes to my mind, I think about it. So don't think just cause it's about another card that it don't help you in the long run. So I recommend watching every video, man. I throw some Easter eggs in there. And if you watch all my shows, you'll know, man, the tips help. I got some tips that save people money. Some tips to save you the headache. Do some like preventative maintenance on them. So all right, putting the solenoid back on, 7/16. Very simple. Now, I'm gonna take the resistor. I don't know why they had it on the battery first, but what you want to do first on your solenoid, you put your main wires toward the solenoid. They had the resistor there first. I don't know why. You want to put the thing that pulls all the amps and that needs the best connection. You put that first. All right, so got that on there. Then I'm gonna take my resistor, put it on there. So on one side of the solenoid, you got your hot wire coming from the battery, which is this side here. The other side of the solenoid, you have your hot that goes to the controller. So when you hit the gas, you send voltage to the small post on the solenoid, these two here, and it activates. And when it activates, it sends voltage from here to this side. That's how that works. So therefore, if you hit the gas and it don't click, then you're not gonna get power, the car's not gonna run. So if you don't get no click from the solenoid, don't change no parts. until you figure out why the solenoid's not clicking. Could be a micro switch, could be a key switch, but in this case here, it was just bad. All right. That's why, man, you go to the Golf Cart Whisperer channel, you're watching my videos, and you will change that part that's bad. Now these right here, I'm gonna take them, put them on there. Like I said, I've done away with a diode. Tighten it up too tight, it'll spin on you, and because the solenoid is held on by a little wire inside, so it'll break that contact. So just do what I did. Change to a wrench or ratchet, but just don't torque it down. You ain't got a He-Man it and try to break it. In some cases like this here, you have to start with one thing and keep going. Every time it doesn't necessarily mean there's one problem wrong. Like this car here, we got two problems. After I replaced the solenoid, ended up putting a controller on it and it fixed it as well. The solenoid was bad. What I did was I tested voltage on a small post on the solenoid, and the solenoid wouldn't click, which let me know the solenoid's bad. So don't ever assume that there's only one part, man. Get your voltmeter out and test. Hey, hey, hey.